Welcome to Product Critique, where we delve into the latest innovations to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro, a cutting-edge device that promises to revolutionize home cleaning. Let's explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your investment. Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans but also mops with precision, offering a level of cleanliness you've never experienced before. That's the promise of the Eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro. First impressions matter, and the Omni S1 Pro stands out with its sleek, modern design. Unlike traditional boxy vacuums, Eufy has opted for a tall, cubic shape with ergonomic curves. The centerpiece is a vibrant touchscreen atop its 10-in-1 Uni Clean Station, which not only displays status updates but also allows for intuitive control. The Uni Clean Station isn't just about looks, it's a powerhouse of functionality. Equipped with a 3-liter clean water reservoir, it employs ozone technology to sterilize water, eliminating up to 99.99% of bacteria. This ensures that every mop is hygienic, maintaining pristine floors with every pass. Speaking of mopping, the Omni S1 Pro introduces a revolutionary 11.4-inch roller mop, akin to a paint roller but for floors. This design allows for efficient cleaning without spreading dirty water, ensuring that even large areas are cleaned thoroughly. While its mopping prowess shines, the Omni S1 Pro also excels in vacuuming. True course mapping technology enables precise navigation, creating efficient cleaning paths without getting lost or entangled. It's particularly adept at hard floors, though it may struggle slightly with pet hair on carpets. Using the Eufy Clean app, you can schedule cleaning sessions and monitor the device remotely. The app interface, though occasionally finicky, provides essential control over cleaning frequencies and modes. So, should you consider the Eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro? If you prioritize immaculate hard floors and appreciate innovative design, this could be your next home cleaning companion. While its performance on carpets with pet hair could be improved, its exceptional mopping capabilities and advanced features make it a standout choice in the crowded robot vacuum market. For those looking to elevate their home cleaning routine with cutting-edge technology, the Eufy Omni S1 Pro delivers where it matters most: cleanliness, convenience, and innovation. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.